last video we have discussed about what is abstract class and what are the implementations of abstract class. In this video we'll do the hands-on. Let's start. Now at first what we'll do, we'll create a .java file that is let's say that driver.java. So we have declared a, okay, it will be driver. So as you can see that we have declared a driver class that is called driver.java. Now at first what we have to do, we have to write the abstract class. So how we can write the abstract class? For declaring an abstract class, what we have to do, we have to use a keyword that is called abstract. So we'll write abstract, then class, then crush. Okay, so as you can see that we have declared an abstract class that is called crush. Now what we'll do, at first we'll declare an instance variable that is, let's say that age equals to 21. And another thing is we can also declare a constructor within the abstract class. So for declaring any constructor, what do you have to write? We have to write crush, and let's say that we'll write that system.out.println, we'll write hey, I'm your crush. Okay, so as you can see that I have printed that I am your crush. Okay, yeah. So as you can see that we have declared one constructor and we have printed one statement. Now what do? We will also declare one instance method. So we'll write relationship status. Okay, let's say that system.out.println, and the relationship status of the crush will be always single. That will be, yeah, let's say that forever single. Yeah, so this is the relationship status of your crush. Now, yeah, as you can see that we have declared one instance variable, one constructor, and one instance method. Now what we'll do, we'll declare one abstract method. So how to declare one abstract method? For declaring one abstract method, we have to write abstract, let's say that void, and we'll write social media. So whenever you are declaring any method as abstract, you cannot write the method body over there. So we cannot write any method body. This is how we have to declare one abstract method. Now what we'll do, we'll just write let's say that class girl extends crush. Okay, and within that what we'll do, we'll just override this method that is called social media. For girl it will be, let's say that Insta, and for boy it will be Facebook. Yeah, let's say that FB. Yeah, so we have declared one abstract class and we have extended that abstract class into two subclasses. So now what we'll do, we'll just write an driver class. So our driver class will be public class driver, and within that we'll write the main method public static void main, and you have to write string, and within this args you can write anything. You can write that, let's say that Tinder. Okay, yeah, as you can see that we have declared one driver class, and within that we have written public static void main. So why I have written Tinder? So in the place of args you can write anything, so I think you won't forget that ever. So I have written Tinder over the place of args. Now what we'll do, we have to create an instance, but we have to create an instance of what? Because we cannot create any instance of abstract class. Let's say that if we are trying to create any instance of abstract class, then what will happen? Crush, let's say that hey is the object of crush, and crush. Yeah, so let me compile this. Java C driver.java. As you can see that we have got an error that is crush is abstract and it cannot be instantiated. So this is why we cannot instantiate any abstract class. Now what we'll do, we have to create the object of girl. Let's say that the object name of girl is, let's say that Simran, and the object of boy is, let's say that Rahul. Boy, let's say that Raj. Okay, it will be. So what is the object name here? The object name of girl is Simran and the object name of boy is Raj. Now let me compile this. Let's say that Java C driver. As you can see that we have successfully created two objects, one is for girl and one is for boy. So whenever we are creating any object, it's also running this constructor. So in the constructor we have written, hey, I am your crush, and you can see that it's printed over 2 times. Now you can also call the methods. So for calling the method using Simran, what do you have to write? As you can see that we can also call this relationship status method. For crush it will be forever single, it don't depends on boy or girls. Okay, for Simran this is relationship status is single, and for Raj is it's also single. Yeah, so let me compile this code. Java driver, and as you can see that we have got two output. This is for Simran, this line is for Simran, this is for Raj, and this is also for Raj. As you can see that we have successfully called the constructor and we have successfully called the instance method. Now what is left? The left portion is we have to call the abstract method. So for calling the abstract method, what do we have to write? We have to write the same, and we have to replace this relationship status with social media. Java C driver.java Java driver. As you can see that for Simran that is Insta and for Raj that is Facebook. So this is how we can declare one abstract class and one abstract method. In this video we have discussed about that how you can declare any abstract class and how you can declare the abstract method and how to implement all of those.